Guys, today we're doing a
No,
Kinder
we're not.
Egg
No, we're not.
unboxing
Turn
video.
that
Listen to
camera
me.
off.
Listen to me. You listen to me. You're gonna open those eggs, and you're gonna like it.
No, no.
No. Listen to me. Listen to
I
me.
do it.
You're
I
gonna
do it.
open those eggs. No.
I do it.
No.
I
No.
did it. I did it.
No.
I do it.
I did it.
You're not even
I
holding
did
it.
it. I did it.
Listen. Listen. Pick up that egg. Pick up an egg. Pick up an egg.
Then I got it.
Call
Pick up
the
an
white
egg.
name. Call
Pick up,
the white name.
pick up a
Fine.
Kinder Surprise egg.
Egg. It's an egg.
Pick up an egg.
Will there be will there be minions in here?
There might be.
Okay, we have that. So
No.
the regular just get the surprise eggs.
I whipped it.
I wonder what's inside. I wonder what's inside. I'm so excited. Wonder what's inside. I'm so excited. Is this Squidward? Wow. Wow. Wow, I got a toy. Oh, look. What do you guys see? This is what I got. Yay.
Wow.
I'm so excited.
Wow. I'm so excited.
Now I go eat the chocolate.
Good my top.
Nayla! You be quiet.
I'll open another one. What is it?
What?
Mine were quite cool. I got a waste call. I got a waste call.
You lucky duck. Wibbly wobbly, wibbly wobbly.
Boom. Boom. Boom.
It's a dinosaur.
I do it.
I did it. I love this. I wonder what's inside. I'm so excited. I wonder what's inside. I'm so excited.
Why do we buy these?
I got the same thing.
Does it have enough dedicated wham?
Yeah, it does. So now it's time to eat the chocolate.
I got a fishy. I got a
What?
fishy. Yeah. Yeah.
Are you guys done opening your Kinder eggs?
Yeah.
Say bye.
No. No.
Say bye.
You have to open yours now.
I'll do it.
You have to open your eggs.
Really? Wow. I wonder what's inside. I'm so excited. I wonder what's inside. I'm so
Say it more enthusiastically.
I wonder what's inside. I'm so excited.
Acting like it. I wonder what's inside. I'm so excited.
Wow. I wonder what's inside. I'm so excited.
Hey, you want a Kindle surprise egg?
No.
You want a Kindle surprise egg?
I've
There
got-
ain't nothing
I've
in
got-
it.
I've got like 3.
Open them.
What am I talking about?
The chocolate. Wait.
I don't want to eat this chocolate right
Wait.
now.
Each team has had an opportunity tonight
Wow.
to tack on
This
a
is
bigger run.
amazing.
Surprise eggs.
Yeah.
Side has run themselves out of
Ah.
opportunities.
Ah,
Where's
The
my
heck?
pillow?
To the last 2 innings.
How's the Kinder eggs?
Hey.
Are they?
What is this?
I want to try one tomorrow.
The chocolate or the toy?
I want to try the chocolate. No, I brushed my teeth already. Is the chocolate good?
Hey.
Wait, but how do you even open this?
Just open it. Just squeeze it. Squeeze it. Then pull. Yep.
Smith continues to hang around 2 balls and 2 strikes.
What the heck? What the heck?
Yay.
Wow, this is great. This has everything I've ever wanted. Green plastic. No, that's blue.
Ugh.
Well, earlier in the game, something that might go unnoticed. We thought that this play was a little strange, but the button
Blech.
How the heck does this even go together?
Open the West.
No, I don't want to.
I got it.
No, fine. I don't want to eat this chocolate though.
No, halfway to the top.
What is this though? Like dinosaur. We're making something
Dinosaur.
else. Kinder Surprise Egg number 2. Wow. This is so much fun.
I wonder what sides are excited. Are you excited?
I want to kill myself.
This was so much fun. I filled my egg full of water.
2 gone bases empty, a couple of strikeouts for Hector.
Wow.
He struck out 4.
Red and blue.
3 innings with 1.
Tops.
Thanks.
I doped 18-incher.
He shakes off Molina a couple of
Pieces of paper.
last time he said that.
Wow. 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 I'm just gonna, I'm gonna put these back in here. Because these are just like,
Go! I'm gonna do it. I gonna do it. I gonna do it. I gonna do it.
no.
Okay,
Wow, this is amazing.
okay. So I got his video. And so I see you guys soon. But when I fail, I smash my surprise egg chocolate. No.